Hello everyone, this is Lexi from Rome Lab, and today we are grilling shrimp skewers over campfire. Shrimp skewers are a classic summertime appetizer or main course, and make for an easy meal at the campground. I'm getting hungry, so let's get started. Before we grill the shrimp, we have to marinate it. Mix lemon zest and juice, onion, basil, rosemary, parsley, garlic, salt, and olive oil in a plastic bag. One thing I love about this recipe is how you can do so much of it ahead of time. You can prepare the marinade and start the shrimp marinating in the comfort of your own kitchen. The shrimp should marinate for at least 3 hours, but if you aren't planning to eat the shrimp soon after, you can also freeze the whole concoction so that it will last longer in your cooler. Once the shrimp is marinated, thread each one onto a skewer for cooking. Place shrimp on the grill over high heat. When you start to see the shrimp become more opaque, flip over each skewer to grill the other side. As soon as the shrimp has turned a light pink, remove the skewers from the heat and serve. I like to pair the shrimp with appropriately delicate sides, such as a bed of lettuce or buttery mashed potatoes. And there we go! I tried to keep this video simple, but you can find written directions with pictures and extra annotations on our website, romelab.com. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Lab for future campfire recipes.